Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can register OKX account. So first, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and download and install this OKX app. Once done, tap on the open button and you'll be directly go to the application. And from here, you can go to Exchange or you can go to OKX wallet. As you can see here, or if you're going to sign up or create an account on Exchange, go back there. And then from here, tap on sign up or login button. So first up, you'll need to select the country or region that exactly matches the one on your ID or proof of address. So tap on the drop down menu. Then you can select your country or region. So you can also use the search box at the top to specifically search for it. So in this case, I'm going to select mine here and check the box if you agree with the terms of service and then tap on next. Now from here, just need to tap on the confirm button. On the next page, you need to enter the email address you wish to use for your account signup. So enter your email address here, or you can use your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. So in this case, I'm going to use my Google account. So tap on the bottom left. Now, if you have already an account, as you can see, you would then need to log in your password. So if you don't have an account yet, just need to go back and change your Google account, or you just need to use other email address. From here, just need to slide to complete the puzzle to be able to proceed to the next instruction here. So next, enter the email code that's sent to your email. And also you need to enter your phone number. And then from here, you need to create your password. So here you will have some example, right? So this is an example here. And once done, tap on next. So right from here, follow the steps and get up to 120 USD. So basically, after you sign up, you need to verify your identity. You can actually verify your valid ID right from here. So follow the on-screen steps or information to be able to get your account on OKX. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.